Out at San Francisco, some good news tonight in the city's battle against the pandemic, but health officials are afraid that people could be letting their guard down too early. KPIX 5's Betty Yu is live there now to explain. Hey, Betty.
Hi, Brian. The Embarcadero, for example, was noticeably busier tonight than we've seen in weeks past. So as we open up, California health officials do not want us to experience another setback. Floyd Newsom and his family drove up from Bakersfield to enjoy some of their favorite things about Fisherman's Wharf.
I just have some seafood, eat on the pier. We pretty much, we followed the rules. And we continue to follow the rules, not to break them because they were made to save us.
San Francisco recently saw its lowest COVID case rate since the pandemic began. Currently, the city's 7-day average of daily cases is 29, compared to more than 370 during the winter surge.
We've kind of stuck to staying outside, which is nice. And I don't know, we were just talking about it's exciting that there more outdoor options that we didn't have before. So I think a lot of good's come out of it.
Still, cases are on the rise in half the states, and people are dying.
The 7-day average of deaths continues to hover at 1,000 deaths per day. I remain deeply concerned about this trajectory.
Most states will make vaccines available to all residents 16 and older by May 1st. California will do so 2 weeks earlier. Scientists are still trying to figure out if vaccinated people can spread the virus. They're studying 12,000 vaccinated college students and their contacts to try and answer that.
We hope that within the next 5 or so months, we'll be able to answer the very important question about whether vaccinated people get infected asymptomatically, and if they do they transmit the infection to others?
As of tonight, more than 40% of San Franciscans have received at least one dose of the vaccine, but supply does remain limited. Brian?